Good Night, Moon. Here's the moon. By Margaret Wise Brown. Pictures by Clement Hurd. Here's the moon. Here's the cow. Good night, moon. Good night, moon. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of. Here's the telephone, here's the red balloon, and here's the green room. The cow jumping over the moon. Cow, here's the cow, moo. Cow, the cow is jumping over the moon. Here's the moon. And there were 3 little bears sitting on chairs. Bears, 3 bears, 1, 2, 3, sitting on chairs. And 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens. Here's the mittens. Here's the kittens. Meow. Baby cat. Kittens are baby cat. And a little toy house and a young mouse. Here's the toy house. And here's the little mouse. And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush. Here's the comb, here's the brush, and this is a bowl full of mush. And a quiet old lady who was whispering hush. Good night, room. Good night, moon. Here's the moon. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. It's the cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Here's the red balloon. Red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, bears. And good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. Meow. Good night, kittens, baby cats. And good night, mittens. Mittens. Good night, clocks. And good night, socks. Good night. Here's clocks. Here's the clock. Good night, clock. And good night, socks. Good night, little house. Little house. Good night, mouse. Here's the mouse. Good night, comb, and good night, brush. Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. And good night to the old lady whispering hush. Here's the old lady whispering hush, hush. Good night, stars. Stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. And that's it.